the dual citizenship issue of Goa. For that, I had personally taken special interest, and we had set up a committee. It is unfortunate that many people were victims of the provisions of our country as well as Portuguese. So many people were facing problem. Now we have already set up the committee and the report is final. And very soon we are going to create something like an authority. And we don't want to decide in Delhi. It should be decided in Goa. We will create an authority where they will decide any issue related to citizenship and the status should be dealt in Goa on daily basis as per the requirement and need of the local people here. They should not run around in Delhi for their daily need.
We are intelligent enough to understand it.
That's right. We want to ensure that because of the differences in our law and the dual citizenship in the Portuguese law, our people should not suffer. So that we have to ensure, not a single person should suffer. Because for over so many years, nothing was done in India. So we have taken up, because this is a complicated issue, because it relates to conflict of the provisions of the constitution of both the countries. So we have...
And also agreement signed by India with Portugal.
You are right. That is why, because the matter was very complicated, but it deals with the problem of our citizens, we don't want that any of our citizens to suffer. So since we have done all the homework, now the report and everything is ready. Very soon we will come out with the notification where whatever is to be done will be done, and we will ensure that no genuine Indian citizen because of not his fault should suffer. And Goa is a very important coastal state. We have in the Home Ministry also taken up lots of steps to create a robust security system. Earlier, the coastal states were known as safe. Like I come from Northeast, Jammu Kashmir, left-wing affected areas. These were very volatile. Coastal states were known as very safe. But after the threat we received from the sea, we have realized that we need to secure our high seas. So the security along the coastal line by establishing various marine police stations and creating a very robust system we have put in place. So it is much more secure. And recently while I was coming, we have already sanctioned four big boats, 12-ton boats. Each will cost 4 crore each. So we will be giving 4 additional special boats for Goa.